Abiafo Atrasi. Daniel Nikwate titles Global, former MP for Tama East, former Deputy Minister of Transport, former Greater Accra Regional Minister, one-time national organizer, contestant of the New Patriotic Party. Oh, for you. And you go there.
You go to your thing. You mug. Oh, Bake. You know, so Bake.
And Obake. Akwaba.
Say no. Ye chere ye tu ye boase a chere. Medical mamincha mo shofo nya mo hwe. Na mechia menua agbeshi. Na mehuni se na meni age.
Okay.
Esanse ya manyusema ye die enyuando. Menua ni kwate kenchiri gu ye. Mitunsa frɛ no. Mani ebehwe machi. Kama. That was July 5th. Ya kasa wo fonso. But ye share say. Nti medana say. E meni bi etwe mu mami na ye obahima e wo liati e wo nikrom.
Okay.
Afaja to south.
Yeah.
No tunsa frame. Nti mi so mi ko e ko hwe na chi kama. Nti mi mana trase say so a board member no wa bem. And don't make sure say nsuo no eba
nsuo ne ba
because the Mahami area order a week in nsuo no be ba say thrice in a week. 2-3 times come to 12.
Oh, okay.
E watama. And the ogo di board chairman di me de migidi obetumi abob MD di japa and make sure say nsuo no be ba. Na so okọ galamsey area konya ku sum galamsey fo ndi emem se bedu na yaka wasem. And the obake no
okay.
Eye yakwaba e wo ye nkran kasem.
Okay.
Commander, de na kire se me gadangni. E me kasa meka.
Yeah.
Mamamre eni mamane a ye duane a ye di e ye dokron. Ene ye me duane me di e gadangni. Ya fasha ye di wo bankran ya tema bom pampram a ye fe ni bugban. Ye di plejo.
Okay.
Ye sense di homowo eni gadang me nya no ye di homowo wo kwa da omudi asafo to fiam asafo
yeah
na ye botuo ye de kokun eni ye de giman
there's a odom
hyiemu na wo kokrobo yilo krobo so manya odumase krobo eni shy area no a omudi mayim and when nya ya fasha ye de chichiri ye na na beto ye
okay.
And ye kasa no enne kire ye bas ye di apaye ne ye bompa ne ye di apaye a won kremu no ye si ablekuma abakuma ni tiase ne se ye ma ho wo mbeka ye won kran eni dam kromu a sabio kromani nkwantimi ntra ha ugigi aho bibiri ebeka ho a na nyina ne ye kabom ne di akekere oman no ba ye do a ye ni ntia ma ye kasa no eyira endi afa ye pagya ye mu midi regional minister His Royal Majesty Dr. Kintaki Tekuchuru osi mesrew ye kasa no eko konfomu nansi oni ye nkyerɛ nkwala no e wo school pom me teacher ni o kyerɛ ma de 74 class 3 Mrs. Osafo Baben o chini office akwa but onyi won kranko mu a and the court teacher train was osua nkran akyerɛkyerɛ no
we don't ye bedi san komo
ye bedi nje wo yame
atwema adwena si bi so I think Professor Michael Eronokwe on na chairman for foundation bia na na man for ye won cry ETS ye fanya scholarship and fama wona pese sua enkra kasa na omo ya akyerɛkyerɛfo but unfortunately we have 5 slots at it 22 pen buy
me DMP me sponsor bi ekɔ adwuma nko omko sua enkra kasa ye wo Gandangbe Council honorable Ayiko Otu his excellency ono da no omso sponsor bi but gamanche edi two men no me to one among
okay
honorable say edi two or the education minister no nuju me de kotu ne no say teacher for one graduate from Nkrakasa no yefa omodim bre no be yes research ni na me did no me the man no starting post wo nyina educo school no mo ko tre Nkrakasa no and the old back no enye ntokodi ye besre ye ne ma akafo no ene mo keka ho no emboa because Nkrano ya ji awo bibiri sanso na wokɔ akamemu awo te sɛ kumase awo mlo a yɛnyina yɛ chichiri ba yɛ kasa no ɛyera and the mumwa yɛn na yɛn so yɛ kasa no entra ase in 1877 ebra na British for person gamanche nchen the denga mamanche kintakita wia the first ebe ka kire ne se onu gamanche no mfo na asrafo nka abrofo sojafo no munko kumase no munko gi golden stone ne mfambra ena gamanche bisa abrofo no se golden stone mu dia mu fa broche na mo ba akro mu a golden stone mu dia den na minkleni minka mu na mu ni menu no munkoko na mun gi golden stool. The golden stool is the symbol of unity and strength and culture of the Ashanti Kingdom. Minko. And because of the defilement, they no go exile Elimina for about 4 or 5 years. And so they didn't never. And Yaba and Yakum a quite a befaswa would develop educationally, technically, digitally, Bibia and Commander. Mima wakwaba abankrai obake you are doing
Sasuna mo board chairman
board member
of Ghana Water Limited and now a senior member of the national communications team of NDC I will see the truth ewa I will see what call there
saying
me Adom
afonama
I also de me call
afonama
Kasi
simple.
Because maybe you know my take us and be brave.
Yeah.
Say
Ghana man brand and sana mo kan sa anyoma yi. Yes, you anko nti edru ho a na wa bin.
Mate.
Bibi aboko dey.
Boko na answer everything.
Eja ya gusu.
Abamu ye.
Oh, bibi akoso kama. We ye be share anyoma emfata ba yen kasa. E di awa tu de share bibia.
Okay.
You're finding solution to most of the problems. Me chia your viewers, chia me bra penny. NPP no more problem. Who want to say our contesting for national organizer? Fact. The strategic thinkers a mini. Me ko bona abaso the oye pass because they be affecting me. But in terms of organization, I know him. Wait.
2 for NPP 4 for as national organizer.
Wait. Or more opposition back on if I'm saying. More opposition back on.
Yeah, Professor Mills time now. That was 2009.
Wait, we need to shout two. Okasa don't see Papa will implement this idea we have high. But well, Obale Juba. By now, me shake me. She be a shake me. Yana me yellow cool. No, but telegama me, okay, gamma me, come. I cannot sell organize the party. She will be a camera small, me male. Ebay, me, cash it be. Me, Ghana Conini.
Okay.
Nyoma bia, Nankayon say. Yentimi so no. Yetimi aye.
Okay.
And I don't want to talk. You know it already.
Okay.
In terms of dollar ni cost but it's not as it was. What I say?
Okay.
From the ever form. Fuel about form. Cost ka crazy. I know another driver BBC me say, let me talk for no say, hey, now about form you say oh kakra about form. It will be well and it is well. My kind of boom.
Okay.
They hear me and no pay me problem. You say, I'm so disappointed and sad based on Ntokwa air cost within the country.
The insecurity.
Not the insecurity. It says the conflict in your air cost no.
Okay.
See, I'm not president Maeti as you say. Obi person what the container keke ekosi baby. So you can just imagine the space a container can occupy. We so entokwa. We entokwa. Minya, let us look at our country as our bona fide place of what Abu. Ye ni baby eko. In this assembly, na untu unyonkwansi a benu na uni ndi nkomo. It's not about cutlasses. It's not about gun.
Yeah.
Jojo. If others are living in peace, let others also live in peace.
Okay.
Don't show your materialism. Say, oh, me, me, fire, because he be dear. We are all one people with a common destiny.
Okay.
What do you say?
I was in Mamisha Self-Free. Now the quick one. We are board member of Ghana Water Limited. And I know some of them say Ghana Water for some more per se 2 or more utility tariff more by 280%. As board member, we are aware of this.
When a cast as say a 280%.
Also more per 280%. The commercial manager of Ghana Water Limited.
These are all speculative.
Oh, how?
Oh, yes. They are speculative. As a board member and as a board, no. Member of the board, no. BBM may toy himself for approval. It's all speculative. There is going to be an increment. But as at the percentage, no, it has not been agreed upon.
Who propose any 280%?
Who propose it? Messi and toy him as a board, so they are just speculating.
Who is speculating?
Whoever is doing that. Because as a board, just about it, yes, sir. In the engine, sir. There is going to be an increment. No two ways about that.
Ghana Water for a call. The committee, PRC, are putting together.
I'm not aware.
I'm
not aware. I'm not part of management. To my best knowledge, and to the best, see, I have worked with people in my life. But nipa bakwa masiano, any juma say a B, me board chairman Billy. Oh no, me sure be to say that. And I wish we are such a person at ministerial level. Or be catch your sin a pepe. Meaning I should be told him. What do I say? And I think before management take any decision, they must forward it to the board for approval. Yes, sir. But there's going to be an increment. But as at the percentage, I said, who can say 280? No, I'm not aware. To the ever but percentage meaning.
Mate.
Now, when you might also say, no, there are 2 there, but not to that percentage, though.
Okay.
You are 2 tariffs, Mama. Every day you are performing.
What's the shut it down, cry?
Honorable can say, on one year, you try to navy. Only need to cry you. What do I say? Because the system, you might also know. I mean, illegal mining in your man, pollution of the environment, water bodies. Every day, cost of production definitely have gone high based on Sanyoma Ecoso. It is our wish as a board led by Chairman Billy. Say, Honorable, once you every PA 24 hours.
Okay.
It's our wish. But the cost of treatment and they higher due to our illegal activities along the water bodies.
A car man for them what me ajimu say.
Yaguso. Che, your MD. Michiano baby oh. Honorable water kill. Galus. Another fine gentleman. With him, those days no. Na sa water tankers for mono. Omuko sa insuo. No more be ton amount. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, that water is supposed to flow through your pipe for you to enjoy the service of Ghana Water.
Okay.
And at the end of the day, lively, you also go and pay your bills.
Yeah.
Now, mono na insuo no cartel. No more blocking and bow. Now I call tanker for her at the base. Now more extracted. Now more be ton amount. What can be? But trim. You see, an honorable when you're twice in a week. Yes, sir. Your bomb by say within the Monday to Friday can never flow. But it's gradual process.
A man phone free say. I didn't think that the ineffectiveness of Ghana Water Limited, you're passing on as a cost to me, a consumer. A kwame na motimi afa so ma block some of these loopholes na e de eka ebremo no. E kwame na mafa so ma block sa akwansidie na e ma muntimi nya musika no. Because mo hwe mo kamu a
You see,
a car on 70%, there'll be no need for
exactly
this increment.
Meaning, I will not speak for Ghana Water in the past, but I will speak for Ghana Water today.
Okay.
Led by my board chairman.
Not forget the governance continues.
No. I said I will not speak for Ghana Water in the past, but for today. Because in the past, I mean in there, so I'm
okay.
Led by the board chairman, including myself, we were able to detect an illegality.
Yeah.
So the question is, now staff now more. Obifio mansion over 8-bedroom house, almost 3 plots of land, were divided plot into 3. And about a reservoir almost 40 to 60 feet down. And at the other one, a base of extraction. We connected now. Why fence of you? Into one most enclave, no one is you.
But no, you.
Oh no, so on water tankers for one sense you. Board chairman Billy. And a coach is meanwhile, we have a district manager, a district team, district operation officer. When you move, you're quiet. One part of the house, both sides, more meter. Baku ye domestic, and a baku ye commercial. Commercial no, enye juma, shrimp, meter no bo keke. Meanwhile, so good side reservoir, it means save that community within the entire week. And a domestic no. Back on tankers for conference, you know. And also, no, at the castle, almost the castle, almost a month here. This year, I got found. I won't speak to that year, but people are calling. People are calling. The guys owe over 6 million Ghana cedis. And Minamika said, the national security should confiscate that particular house.
Or the Ghana Water forecast 6
million. No,
you
got billion.
Okay.
6 million. In fair phone calls.
Someone yet.
Now, the MDs have phone calls on to you.
Someone
no. No, parliament.
You parliament same time.
Auntie.
One yet.
On fair me, FA board chairman. They be auntie. Say a patrol. How? How do you govern an institution in such a manner? Until you say it me tariffs mu ye. I don't think there must be an increment, but not that much. What I say? It me a boy. Obifio Otema, Wencliffe, Ashama area. Or the price not for a dynasty. Need dynasty. But due to the hard work, the vigilance of the managing director and his team, and as time goes on, that's why I say I cannot speak for the past, but I can speak for the present. And at the end of the day, something good will come out of it. What I say, but this is not the platform to speak to.
Okay.
Stan Mate, who is the chief manager PR, try and find time and talk to him. He will tell you much about it. Why?
But I also more free MD no party for Mpensenpensenmu count.
Ghana for the free MD and free me and free board chairman.
I also party in Mpensenpensenmu.
Missing Ghana for. I'm not trying to politicize this issue.
Yeah.
Ghana for. By engine too.
Sakwa ebema what take a second look at.
Now who your party now who frame because what's the no?
Okay.
No, me. Who frame media? What's the no? Now party for being your friend.
Because
frame the what's the no? Because I expect you to set an example. Who did they gonna say? And the way a partner who frame it, then I say the what's the no? And frame me.
Mate.
That's it.
Commander, me bo me brother Basu for that vigilance. Na omo mu frefre no so omo nimu na omo bisa me. Because who share obi o yes so disciplinarian in terms of the passion aye de besum omanya uyini frame enye yi. Anti board na president na koso no. With the president Nasi. wa bre papa na ono so onhye president no nyam na busuane ye nyina so onhye no nyam because obi aye reservoir e woni fie oye commercial oni gisika no e de hye de kotokom to deny
if you know po fie no abonten a air condition bubo dan we ka say a hotel beautiful but if you didn't hold completely no air reservoir
enim ho ni nyina
about 2 plots of land air reservoir about 60 feet down.
So when you deny the state institution the revenue say it ba koye adwuma na ensuo no aba krom na nyina nya bi no wonkwa wo giska no edi che wokoto ensese an population no enyin say pipe diameter pipe yedi pipe no at the time na population no e wo from no commander net say ya say population aso and so you need to get a bigger diameter pipe e betuma twi ensuo no bebre edi aba krom. So you have a development plan maybe the next 10 years 20 years. In the next 20 years, so every time there's a progression of development, and also a factor in whatever utilities are we getting in. And the work can be medium for so Bibia or where chrono is silly. So you can imagine, say, for all these while, a Jumo Yesiko Jikonukum, a Kogana Water Company, are going to be bomber courses,
You make us say a bill be 6 million Ghana.
Because maybe Wayache.
Yeah. We quite a about me
Wayache.
Na 6 million number of vehicles a better because
tankers no mutomu chinde kolenya the base. And who is can show kutukum. So how do you expect them to deliver? Machine are say part in New York. How do you want them to work? You understand? And then no die me form so mu yan woni. No me make sure say obi bia oye nyame bi se no asotwe no say ba mo a mo frefre no wo frefre said den krono no wa bɔ no na wo bɔ zama no sika na wo so ba company ni Ghana water ho emba no na wo bɔ nsem say engoji ana. So clearly sometimes we need to be nationalistic akra, at least sika no twe na so to serve as a deterrent for other people omo say na manyana emboa because for a whole week na menye so twice 3 times Adom and jehode mitanechi mejididi so mboa ne board no any chief executive management no na bebia tosi ni nyina no woni asiesie ba ye kan we de and dem fa no so okay ba ye ko galamse de mesuma no